Good Friday morning. Let's talk about oil again since it's been on everybody's mind this week. Oil traded down to 124.65 overnight and rallied back to the pivot right there. You can see the pivot right there at 128 and a quarter. Ticked it and then has been slowly just hanging in there, selling off. It sold off about an hour, about a buck and a half, and now is sitting back in the middle of that range, 127.60. Again, I think you're going to see a lot of politicians using oil as a stumping basis now that we're getting into the prime election season. Doesn't matter which side of the parties, but they're going to both be using that as a reason to stump. Oil's down now almost $8 from its highs. It's been down as much as 11, which again is about six. Let's call it 7% from the highs. So this is real. Gold is up 12 today. Gold has been trading down all week. And on the flip side, the SPUs have been up all week. So let's talk a little bit about the SPUs. SPUs trading 1402 and not as high as yesterday. Yesterday's high was about 1407. So we're not quite there yet. And I would look to see. Today is the fourth day of a post-holiday trading week. It's been very light volume, and after a big sell-off with heavy volume last week, I kind of expected us to be up. We've been up every day this week. See if we finish up today on the fourth trading day of the week. Monday we were again not open here in the U.S. markets. My guess says the high will be either put in today or early next week in the S&P, and we'll head back down. So again, protect any. You've had a big bounce. We've bounced already 35 points on the S&P after selling off about 70 points. So we're right at that halfway spot, and this is usually about where we run out of steam, especially on a late volume post-holiday week. So we're getting oversold now after 4 days up in a row. We'll see how much higher they can run them. The VIX is back down to 1850. Actually $18, so that sold off again after it rallied up to 20. The dollar's trading over 73 this morning, and again, whenever you see something speculative in fever running like oil, it's usually a good time for the government to get involved. After all, it doesn't really matter what they do; the market will take care of itself. But I see a lot of involvement on the governmental side to push prices down. It's a political year, and they're going to use that to their benefit.